Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. The correct order of dipole moment is. Here we have a 4 option in which we have to tell the which has the correct order of dipole moment. So now let's solve this question. So dipole moment is a measurement of polarity, okay, from less electronegative to more electronegative, okay. Second, from atom to lone pair, okay. So now let's discuss the structure of these. First one is CH4. So in this structure is CHHH. Here H, 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 H. Okay. So in this structure we can see here no electronegativity difference. Okay. So that means dipole moment is equal to 0. Next is NF3. So in NF3 central atom is N, F, F, F and one lone pair is here. So here we can see that fluorine is more electronegative than nitrogen. So it's pull the electron density towards itself like this, okay, and lone pair like this. Now let's see the NH3 structure. So H, H and here one lone pair H, H, H. So in this structure we can see that nitrogen is more electronegative than hydrogen. So it's pull the electron towards itself like this, and lone pair pull the electrons towards itself. So that means dipole moment is not equal to 0. Now let's see the H2O. Okay. So here O, H, H, here lone pair. Okay. So that means oxygen pull the electrons towards itself and lone pair like this. So that means electronegativity is more. So this molecule also have a dipole moment. Okay, now let's see the order. So in CH4 we can see that here dipole moment is 0. So that means CH4 में क्या हो जाएगा, सबसे कम हो जाएगा. Then NF3, then NH3, then H2O, because H2O oxygen is more electronegative than nitrogen. That's why H2O molecule has the more dipole moment in comparison to then. And in NF3 and NH3, NF3 has dipole moment is less than to NH3 because here fluorine is electronegative atom. Okay, so our final order is that. Now let's see the options. So here in option A, CH4, NF3, NH3 and H2O. So it is the right order. But let's see the other options also. In B, NF3, CH4, NH3 and H2O. So this order is wrong because CH4 has the less dipole moment, or we can say that it has zero dipole moment. Now let's see the C, NH3, NF3, CH4 and H2O. So it is also the wrong because NH3 has some dipole moment, so it is the wrong order. Now let's see the option D. In option D, H2O, so that means it is wrong because H2O has the more dipole moment according to our discussion. So it is wrong. So finally we can say that our option A is the correct option. Hope you all understand the solution of this question. Thank you.